Hello friends, let's talk about pharmacokinetics. And pharmacokinetics you can define it as what the body does to the drug. Okay, you can understand that kinetics term you must have heard, and kinetics means movement. Okay, so you must have heard about kinetic energy, which is due to motion of an object. So kinetics and pharmaco, pharmaco means drug. So kinetics is movement of the drug. So pharmacokinetics is the branch which deals with movement of the drug inside and outside the body. So it involves with all those processes which take the drug from one side to another. Okay, so there are essentially four processes in that. One is what we call as absorption, then another one is distribution, third one is metabolism, and the fourth is excretion, or also you can call it as elimination. So these four processes, they comprise pharmacokinetics, and they can be also abbreviated as ADME. So these four processes, they will be discussed in detail when we talk about pharmacokinetics. Okay, so I will just give a brief outline of these four processes. So absorption, you can understand that it is the processes involved in taking the drug from the site of administration to the bloodstream. Okay, so you can say it is from the site of administration to the bloodstream. So all those processes which are involved in this, they would be clubbed together as absorption. And second step is distribution. So distribution, you can understand from the terms also. So absorption, you can understand that absorption is the drug is being absorbed, is taken from whatever site it is being administered, and it reaches into the bloodstream. And distribution is uh, this process starts from the bloodstream, because now the drug is in the bloodstream, and then it goes into the tissues. And among the tissues will be its site of action also, so it will reach the site of action also by means of its distribution. So it will from the bloodstream, it will go into the extracellular fluid, then it will go to the intracellular fluid, and then ultimately the tissue proteins and all. So this is the process of distribution. We'll be discussing all of them when we talk them one by one. Talk about them one by one. Then the third process is metabolism. So metabolism is uh, conversion. Uh, Means the form in which the drug entered the body, it is changed into some other form, and that processes which convert it into some other entity, that would be called as metabolism. So there could be breaking down, there could be addition of certain groups. The ultimate aim of metabolism is to make the molecule polar and bulky, because these two processes, they can help in the fourth process, what is excretion or elimination. So how that will help, that will be discussing when we talk about this fourth process. Okay, and excretion and elimination is a removal of the drug from the body. So whatever the route, it could be from the renal, in the form of urine, or in the form of feces, or maybe in the form of sweat, saliva, or through the lungs. So whatever route the drug leaves the body, that would be called as elimination. So that is just a brief outline of pharmacokinetics. Rest of the things I'll be discussing one by one in the next lectures. Thank you so much.